Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another WB Trading Live Trading session. I am your host, of course, Mike, aka FX Dinero, certified professional full-time trader, guys, managing over $1 million in capital, right? Which can be verified, of course, right here on the website, which I'll show you here in a second. Um, But in short, guys, those of you who don't know, WB Trade, guys, we are an educational company with over a decade of experience in education, and we are most known for getting our traders profitable and keeping them profitable. All right. That's pretty much what we're known for. Everyone knows us for that. ABC, a lot of the big headlines, guys. So check us out there. Um, Jumping before we get into it, guys. Notice a lot of you guys are watching, but you're not liking, you're not commenting, you're not subscribing, right? So as I always say, guys, if you like what we're doing, please help us out. Give us that like. If you don't, give us a dislike, right? But yeah, definitely in the comments, if you could, let us know what we're doing great so we can continue to do it. And of course, if we suck, right? If you don't like what we're doing, let us know as well, and we'll try to improve it for you, okay? And of course, again, hit that bell notification so you can know when we go live. All right. So cool. So jumping into it. Um, Obviously, guys, this is my portfolio. Again, managing over $1 million in capital here, guys. So just want to show you that, and then let's jump into the charts, right? That you guys want to see. That's the fun stuff. So I already marked up GU, right? GU is good to go, right? Let me move this just a bit, but GU is good to go, right? So I will post this in the chat, letting everyone know that GU is good to go. All right, GU is good to go. All right. And then I'm looking at GJ, guys, and GJ is looking like the opposite. So let me check this out really quick. And reason being is this ATR just doesn't look good from yesterday, guys. So let's see what's going on. Okay. So 207, it looks like. All right, let's try this again. I didn't get a chance to finish here. I just jumped right on the live. So let's see here. We're going to measure this bad boy on out. All right. Okay, we might be good to go. Right. It's about 207. Right. And you guys know I like to make this yellow, kind of distinguish the two. 207. 207 is about, come on. Oh man, there we go. Okay. 207. Cool. Right, so this is where we are with this one. Then we'll go ahead and set my alerts. So just in case I'm not paying attention for whatever reason, I'll get that alert, right? We got to use our tools where we can. Above, right? And then below here. All right, perfect. Now I will post this one as well. All right. Whoa, GJ is table for today also. Sweet. All right, so now that we are here, let's see, do we got any questions? Nope, no questions just yet. All right, guys. I see not many of you are on here, but if you got questions, let me know, right? We can go through them really quick before I jump off. All right. So what I always like to do as well, guys, is of course I like to check the news, right? Got to make sure there's no super crazy news coming out. Okay, we got news at 10:30, right? Or 10 a.m. rather. We'll be out of the trades by then. We should be good to go. So for me, that doesn't count as no major news. So as you guys know, I always like to come over here and go ahead and update this, right? So no major news on GBP, GU, and GJ were both in play, right? So cool. I just like to kind of capture my thoughts here so I know what was going on. All right. And yeah, so these two are both all set. Both set, good to go. GJ and GU, right? Yes, yes. Cool. So they are both are all set. All right, G is a little bit tighter in range, but still good to go, right? Cool. All right, perfect. So we're all good to go on both of them. All right, guys. I believe that is it. If you got any questions, as I mentioned, let me know before I jump off. Okay, cool. So we got two questions. Great. Are you waiting for a breakout? Yes, I am waiting for a breakout. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. Just found the channel. Thanks for streaming. Do you do BTC and thoughts? So we typically just trade three different markets for this particular strategy, SM momentum strategy, guys. That's what SM stands for, session momentum. But for Bitcoin, I'm sorry, we are not actively trading this with Bitcoin. However, you can, right? But we have found that the most impactful three markets would be DAX, GU, and GJ, which is why you always see me mark up GU and GJ, right? Success through that is through the roof. I mean, one of my accounts with this simple strategy, guys, trading only two markets, not even the full three, just two markets. I am up 20+%, 21.5 to be exact. Even my bot, right? Even the bot that's being traded, guys. I mean, this account started out at 100K. So this account is up 8%. And I'm not even actively trading this at all. The bot is doing this all on its own, right? As you guys can see, profit of, I'm going to go to history here. Yeah, so 88, right? So 88, so 8.86%, right? It's crazy. That's literally crazy. And you always want to be, in essence, in comparison, what recommended video on your channel. Watch them all, binge watch them. All right, it's a whole series. All the lives for sure. Definitely go through the lives first because I do spend about 15 minutes. You can kind of get a feel of it. But yeah, check those out first. Cool beans, thank you so much, appreciated. Of course, guys. Show up every day. I'm literally on here 4 days a week doing this exact same thing. So let us know, right? Yes, you're absolutely welcome. But cool, guys. This is even if you were to look at this, right? So, and I'm just pointing this out here, right? These prop firm accounts, they want us to stay under 6% when it comes to managing risk, right? And your drawdown. Look at this. The S&P right now is down 4.54%, right? That basically means that this thing is 1.46% away from blowing its account, basically, if it were trading on the prop firm rules. But just wanted to kind of to show the disparity between these two, right? You got one account down 4.5%, which is the S&P, and I get it. We're coming out of this trade war frenzy thing going on. But the point is, right, this strategy is actually crushing the S&P right now. So you got one account down 4.54%. And then as I mentioned, guys, this alone, right, is is up 8.8%, right? So huge when it comes to the session momentum strategy. Something that's super cool about it, guys, is it's mechanical, right? I can literally do this in my sleep for the most part. Um, yeah, it's super simple to do. There's no thinking about it, right? It's follow a simple set of rules, and if it sets up, it happens. If not, it's a no trading day, right? So super cool when it comes to this, guys. Um, but yeah, if you guys want to, as I always say, want to take a look at all this stuff and just join the Discord for free, I am going to, when I jump off the live, I'm going to leave the link for that, right? So you can come in, take a look under the hood, see what's going on, see what WB trading is all about. All right, totally free, guys. You don't have to do anything at all. But if you did want to jump right on and take advantage of everything we're doing here, everything that you guys can see here, that would be the, for one, we'll start in order, right? So the strategy, software, and the support, right? So obviously the strategy is me going through all of this material here, right? How I'm breaking down the charts day by day, why I'm putting these lines on the chart, what justifies the highs, the lows, what is the ADR, like how are we putting all this stuff together, what constitutes a no trading day, how do you measure your stop loss, where do you put your take profit, just overall, guys, in general, like how exactly do you do this, set it, forget it, and not worried about it anymore, and be up 8.86 on one account and plus 21.5% on another account. How to exactly do that day by day, right? Taking out all the guesswork. You don't have to worry about guessing or figuring out what to do at all. You're following a simple set of rules, right? Rules-based mechanical trading. No fear, not having to worry about what's going to happen next. This is backed by hard data, right? This works over time. So yeah, that's the main thing. It's the strategy, right? For you to be able to get that. But we don't stop there. Obviously, we give you the software, guys. 3 things with the software. As I mentioned, one would be the actual trading journal, right? So everything that I put in here, as you guys can see here in the back, decent winning streak so far. But yeah, this is going to help you refine your trading plan. This is going to help you become a better trader. This is going to help you measure what's working and what's not, right? So definitely get the trading journal. But in addition to that, obviously, you're going to get the Telegram bot, right? So this is the Telegram bot that gives you everything in order every day. So you got the daily setup, right? It's going to tell you pretty much everything, guys, like what we're looking at, what the ranges are. This next portion tells you the bot inputs, right? So whatever you put your bot as, you want to copy this to start and can tweak it on your own from there. But yeah, this is the bot inputs. And then right when you get a trade popping off, right, you're going to get this picture, okay? And then from there, you're going to get the entry. This will send you the exact signal that you guys need to take. So if you're not in front of your charts for whatever reason, this will give you that signal. And then lastly, right on the entry, you get another picture, right, showing you what it looks like and the exits, right? So super cool. That's the second thing. And then the third thing on the actual software piece, obviously, is the bots, right, which is going to trade this whole thing for you when you're asleep, when you're at work, when you're sick, when you're hungover, whatever the case may be. This trading EA bot will do that for you, right? And then yeah, guys, and then the support, obviously. When it comes to the support, guys, something I think we do when we go above and beyond. Not only do we give you, just we don't just give you the support, whether it's in the Discord, right? We're in there helping each other out. There's its own basis for it, its own channel. Not only do you just get it through email, right? So if you got a question or two, you can just send us an email. We'll respond to it in a fairly significant short time. And then mainly, guys, you also get 2 other types of calls. One is coaching calls. So, you'll get on, book some calls with us. We'll go over your, what's working, what you need to do, change. This is weekly for everybody, right? We go over all the pairs, everything that happened for their week. We go through everything in depth, right? And then we have our accountability calls as well. Okay. Um, Obviously, traders can fall off the bandwagon sometimes, right? And that's what we're here to make sure you don't do. All right. This is part of that, not just getting you profitable, but keeping you profitable, right? That's where the support comes in. All right. But other than that, guys, that will do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the session. Um, yeah, once again, guys, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate the love today, guys. Any questions you have, always let me know. I'm here to help you grow your trading account. All right. Other than that, see you guys on the next one, and stay safe out there. All right.